Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anya, and for today's video I'm going to show you a quick and easy dessert. The fun part is you can make it in the microwave. It is really easy. So for today's video I'm going to show you how to make a yogurt tart, and it's just if you have unexpected guests, you can quickly whip this up, put it in the microwave, let it sit for a few minutes, and you have a perfect dessert you can serve up. So for today's video, I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what part of South Africa you're watching this video from, and onto the video.